In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run a giveaway with email entry and follow-up in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or increase engagement, this quick guide will help you set everything up from start to finish. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. First things first, a giveaway with email entry is a fantastic way to collect email addresses while offering something of value. You'll want to create a simple, easy-to-use entry form where people can quickly submit their email to enter the contest. The best way to do this is by using our software, which allows you to build your giveaway form with minimal effort. To get started, choose a prize that's appealing to your target audience. It could be anything from a free consultation to a product they'd love. You want something that grabs attention and motivates them to enter. Once you've decided on the prize, it's time to create your giveaway form. This should include a field for their email address, along with a few additional details, like their first name or a checkbox to opt into your newsletter. Now let's talk about setting up your follow-up. After someone enters your giveaway, you'll want to immediately send a thank you email that confirms their entry. You can do this through our software, which automates the process for you. You'll also want to send a few follow-up emails throughout the giveaway period. For example, a reminder email halfway through and a final last chance to enter email as the deadline approaches. This will keep participants engaged and excited about your giveaway. Here's a pro tip. Use a clear call to action in these follow-up emails, such as encouraging participants to share the giveaway with their friends. This can help extend the reach of your giveaway and grow your email list even more. Plus, you can increase the urgency with countdown timers or other incentives that push people to take action. Once the giveaway ends, don't forget to follow up with the winner. Announce it publicly, thank everyone for participating, and let them know that you'll be sending them more exciting offers in the future. This will help you build trust and maintain a relationship with your new subscribers. One final thing to mention. We're using a software that automates the entire process. From entry forms to follow-up emails, everything is handled in one place. And here's the best part. For viewers of my channel, I've arranged an exclusive free trial so you can follow along with everything I just mentioned. The link is in the description below. Key takeaway? Running a giveaway with email entry and follow-up is all about simplicity and automation. Use a good software tool to manage your entries and follow-ups, offer an enticing prize, and don't forget to keep your audience engaged with follow-up emails. To recap, choose an appealing prize, create a simple email entry form, automate your follow-up process, and always keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description to follow along. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your giveaway.